Hör, edelstan König, la drüchten, Berna Bergiva, und his brother Eak, Edmund Edeling, Eldor lange tir geslogen et setje swerda edjum ymbe Brunanburg. Bordwell kluvon, Hervon hedulinda hamora lavum, Schotta leode, und skipflåtan feie fäulon, Feld dennode sedja svate. Sidan sunne upp on morgentid mere tungol glad over grundas, hodes kondelbergt, eches druchtnes, odse og edelige skjeft sacht og settle. There lay sedj many, charum a gieted, human orderna over shield schotten, swilche schutisheak, where we said,
Westseakse forth, on langne day, eorod custom on last leid on ladum theodum. Heowon hereflieman hindan therle, mechum mülen sharpum. Mirchene wirndon herdes hondplehan, heledan anum. Dara de mit anlave over earje blond, on lides bosme, landie sochton, feijetoje feochte. Five lahon, on tham kampstede, kuningas jeunge, swerdum assuevede. Swilche seovone eak, eorlas anlaves, un rim herjes flottena on shota. Der je flie met werth, northmana breho, niede je bedet to lides stevne, lutle weorode. Creat kner on flott, kuning utje wat, on ferlone flod, fergje nerede. Swilche der eak se froda, mid fleame kom, on hiskude north, Konstantinus, har Hilderinch. Chreman neddorfte mechum jemanum, hewas his maga schert, freonda je fielet on volkstede, besleien et setche. On his sunu forleet, on wælstowe, wundum forgrunden, jeongne at rude. Hjelpa neddorfte beorn blonden fax, biljes liechtes, eald inwitta. Ne anla fuma, mit hira here lavum. Hliechan neddorfton, that hie beaduer ka beteran urdon on kampstede. Kumboljech nastes, rar mitunge, rumena jemotes, wepen jeurixles, des hie on welfelda, with Edwardes evoran plegodon.
Joidon him da north men neilet knarum, dreori daro da lav, und inges mere, over deop wetter duvlin seetjan, eftiralond, ewish mode. Swilche thaie broder, beien et somne, König, on edeling küüdes sohton West-Saxnaland viies remje. Leedun himbe hindan hreobrytjan, selvi paadan, tonne sväärton rävn hyrned nevan, on tonne haasu paadan, efter skit, äses brukan. Grädine hud havok, on det greie deor, wolf on välda. Nävärd väl mare on hysilande ävre hieta folkes je filet beforan thissum svärde sedjum. Täste ussäjad bäj, älde udvitan, sidan nästan hiderengle on säkse ubbekomon, over brad brimu, britene sohton, blanke viismidas, välas overkomon, la saar huete, gejäton.
Here King Aethelstan, captain of nobles and bestower of rings, squired by his brother too Aetheling Edmund, with the edge of the sword gained around Brunanburg glory for ages for their armies and selves as they armors cleft. Hewed war linden too, house of Edward, with what hammers temper, for whom it was told for their lordly descent, their lands to defend, and hordes and homes against all hostile folk during combat time. Cringed the cursers, sons of Scotland and ship floaters, whom fate had ditched. The field lay flat with the sweat of bodies, since when the sun came up at morning time, marvellous star, and traversed the skies, divine lantern led into being by Lord himself, and set again. Soldiers were spread there, picked off by javelins, people northern forsaken by shields, so as Scotsmen, weary of fighting. The West Saxons, by legions' choice, lay on the footsteps of spiteful folk, for ceaseless days, hewing deserters from behind with swords millstone sharpened. Merchants promised arduous handplay to every raider who sailed the strait, seeking with Olaf the shores to loot in ship innards. Their greed doomed them. On the ground there lay of the Aethelings 5, oft in battle by the swords from the north. There were 7 as well heroes of Olaf's, hordes of corpses of floaters and Scots. He was forced to flee to the stem of his ship, constrained by need from the little troop, the leader of Norsemen. On pressed the Norse ship, out came Olaf, on fallow flood they fetched back their souls. Constantine also secured his leave to his kith in the north, the cunning chief with his grey-haired head. He could not gloat in deeds of sword rallying. He was stripped of his kin, bereft of friends on ravaged theatres slayed in battle. And he was stripped of his son at the slaughter site, who was slashed utterly, the hapless youth. Huelessly haired king, the seasoned snake, could sparsely boast about any blade slaying. Also the boreal troop guided by Olaf, could not glory much in that they made any more at melee range progress, when playing parry the banner, intercept the spear, stop the soldier, hold their hardware and hit them back, and other games against Edward's men. Those Norsemen then left on their nailed Norse ships, from spikes unscathed over swatchways deep, from the Sea of Dinge, seeking Dublin on the shore of Ireland with shame in their hearts. The two brothers as well, both together, king and atheling, for their country left, land of West Saxons, delighting in war, ceding behind them for the swart raven with black feathers and a beak like a horn, also to the grey-coated greedy warhawk, the white-backed eagle, and to the wolf in the woods, the beast of grey. Bodies to gobble, for all to share. On this island of ours, we have suffered no war since the soldiers' return. Before this time our folk was dying by blades of swords, as the books reveal to old sages, since from the east they came, Saxons and Angles, seeking Britain and disembarked on its shores. Battlesmiths noble, battled the Welshmen, beat them at battle and gained their lands. Glorious heroes.